Welcome to my channel at Simple Made Pretty. In this video, I'm sharing how to make some no-sew pillow covers. Be sure to watch to the end to see this pillow cover, as well as check out my other video with these floor poofs, which are also no-sew. I started this project with 2 rugs that I found at my local Five Below store. Be sure to check out Five Below online because they do have an online shop where you can order if you don't have a Five Below near you. And I'm using my favorite Surebonder glue gun. I'm also using 2 different glue guns here. I'm using one with a detailed tip with a clear glue stick, and then I'm using the full-size glue gun with a tough stick. And the tough stick is really what is holding this whole piece together here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by cutting the one rug in half. And then I'm going to place the rugs right sides together. So the cut part is going to be on the end here. So then I'm going to glue that together on the end. And you can see the seam end is in the middle. So this is how you make an envelope pillow. So we're basically going to leave that opening right there with a seam on the 2 cut ends open. And that's going to be your envelope where you can insert your stuffing. And in this case, I'm going to be using extra linens that I have around my house, like towels and blankets and whatnot. And so I used 1 layer of the detailed clear glue stick, detailed tip, and then I'm using the tough stick as a second layer. And this stick is a full-size hot glue stick, so it will go on thicker. And so I'm just, making sure that you don't want that thick glue sticking through your project. So that's why I start with the detailed tip, because then you won't see like a piece of glue sticking out like you would if you used a very thick layer of glue. So once you've glued the outer edges, and then you're going to glue the sides here, you want to make sure your envelope flap is in a way that you can access that opening. So I'm just kind of fiddling around with it here to make sure that everything lines up correctly. And then again, you're going to do a layer with the detailed tip. And then I'm going to finish it off with that tough stick. And I used the same technique on my floor poofs. You can watch the video on my page. Just search the floor poofs, no-sew floor poofs for Simple Made Pretty, and you should find them. And they held up really well since they are no-sew and just held together by the glue gun. And this is a very thick rug with a thick fabric, and they still held up really great. I've had mine for 7 months now. And once everything is glued together, you can turn your pillow cover right side out and just kind of press your corners very gently. You don't want to poke a hole in the corner. And then you can start stuffing it. Now, I made a giant lumbar pillow cover. So I'm stuffing mine with blankets, and I folded my blankets lengthwise so that there's not lumps. And just shove them in there randomly. You want to fold your blankets lengthwise. And there you have it. The blankets give it a nice slouchy appearance. Okay, so this other pillow cover, I'm using a pillow cover from IKEA. It's old. You can use any pillow cover. This one has a zipper, so it makes it nice. And then I'm using half of one of those Five Below rugs, and I've cut it in half. So you can essentially make 2 of these version of this pillow, rug pillow. And so basically I'm sizing my rug to fit onto this pillow cover. And so I'm cutting it to size, and you want to leave about a 1/2 inch overhang on the sides, because we're going to be folding that 1/2 inch under to create a nice pretty seam. So you see I folded it here, and then I'm using a fabric glue stick. You can also finish it off with a tuff stick, but the fabric stick helps to make this pillowcase washable. So that was a quick and easy 5-minute craft. I hope you enjoyed these DIY projects. Be sure to follow me to see more projects like this. Bye!